Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to log into your Photon account and how you can set up your Photon account. So to do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow these steps I'll show you guys in this video. As you guys can see on the main interface, if you want to log into your Photon account, there won't be a login option available. To do this, we need to connect our Phantom wallet. So we'll just head over to Chrome and search Phantom Wallet right here. And here we will select the Phantom Wallet extension on Chrome Web Store. And simply just go and click on this Add to Chrome button. After that, just wait a few minutes and wait for it to download. Once the extension is downloaded, you will be redirected to this page. Now here, if you have a existing wallet, you can select the option below, and if you otherwise you can go and create a new wallet. I have an existing one. I will just import my private key and log in from that. And once we are done setting up our Phantom wallet, after that we will be able to see this connect wallet option on photonsol.com. Now here we'll just click on this connect wallet option and our Phantom wallet would pop up. Click on the confirm button and you will be successfully redirected to the main PhotonSol page. Well, that's how you can successfully log into your PhotonSol account. And if the video was helpful for you guys, do leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.